All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions, and hopefully you got your coffee. Quick tip video. This isn't going to be a long one. You ever have spanner wrenches laying around your garage? I mean, you got 4.5-inch angle grinders, and they got different kind of spanner wrenches or different size, and you got them scattered all over. Now, I keep mine in a tray real close by the workbench, but a lot of people seem to be losing them. I'm going to show you what one person did. I don't know who it was. I pulled it off of the web. And I'll show you what they did, which is a pretty trick idea. Give me just a sec. All right, let's take a look at the picture above me, which is just a joke. Measure once, cut 6 times. I mean, we've probably all had that happen where we've misaligned a hole, right? Teaches you to measure more than once before you drill. Anyway, to the left, he took the spanner wrench, and on the very end of it, he drilled a hole of the same size or just a hair bigger than the threaded hole on the handle, or the threaded bolt on the handle. Then he put it on there, and he screwed the handle back onto the side of that Milwaukee angle grinder. So now that spanner wrench will always be with him, and then if he needs it, he can just take the handle off quickly by unscrewing it, use the spanner wrench, and put it back on. Now, I know a lot of us, including myself, we hand tighten, but there are times, like with that chainsaw blade and, some of these real coarse abrasive cutting wheels that I have, I kind of, snug them up there with the spanner wrench. So it's not that I never use the spanner wrench, I do, but I keep mine in a small drawer right by my workbench. But I thought this was a really good idea that he had, and I thought I'd go ahead and share it with everybody as a quick tip video. So that's about it. Not a lot of questions on this. You can do it easy enough yourself by drilling a hole, either with a hand drill or a drill press. Make it just a little bit bigger than the bolt that sticks out the end of the handle, and secure it to the side of your angle grinder. Okay, I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you hit the notification bell. Keep following me. I will see you on the next video. Try to get right to the point on these quick tip ones and make them fast. You can always stop it, make some sketches, do whatever you want to do, and drop me a comment if you got a better way of doing it. And I thank you for watching. Bye-bye, folks.